Chinook calls it the sports car of motorhomes. And before you dismiss that as a marketing line, stop for a second and think about what it actually means to design a motorhome with a sports car philosophy. It means you do not start with a box and try to make it go. You start with the question of how it drives, how it handles, how it responds, and then you build everything else around that answer. The 2026 Chinook Summit AWD 4S is a nearly 25-foot Class B+ motorhome built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD chassis. 900 amp-hours of Expion 360 lithium batteries delivering 10.8 kilowatt-hours of usable energy. 600 watts of solar. A Victron 3000-watt inverter with Cerbo touchscreen management. A welded 2x4 steel subframe on rubber isolation pads. Aluminum sidewalls and roof. And the thermal suppression fire safety system that Chinook installs in every single coach they build. And for 2026, the Summit transitions to the Mercedes AWD chassis as standard across the entire lineup. Not as an option. Standard. Today on NextGen Motorhome, we break it all down. Let's go. The chassis. The 2026 Chinook Summit AWD 4S is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD platform. For 2026, Chinook has transitioned the Summit line to AWD as standard. That is a significant change from previous model years where AWD was an option on select configurations. In 2026, if you buy a Summit, you get AWD. Period. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD system is a permanent intelligent all-wheel drive setup. It monitors wheel slip at all four corners simultaneously and redistributes torque in real time. Before a driver feels anything, the AWD system has already responded. On wet mountain roads, on gravel forest service tracks, on packed snow approaching a high-altitude campsite, the Summit AWD 4S is working. Every time, without input from the driver. The 4S designation in the Summit's name refers to Chinook's four-season capability commitment. AWD is one pillar. The insulation system is another. Hushmat thermo and moisture barrier on the floor structure. Rolled fiberglass insulation in the 16-inch on-center truss-style aluminum rafter roof. R9 rated sound dampening insulation throughout the coach walls. The result is a van that maintains comfortable interior temperatures across a far wider range of ambient conditions than a standard van conversion insulated with basic foam panels. For buyers who plan to camp in November in Colorado or January in Montana, the Summit's insulation specification is what separates a four-season coach from a van that happens to have a heater. The engine. The Mercedes-Benz 2.0-liter four-cylinder high-output turbocharged diesel, 211 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, 9-speed 9G-tronic Mercedes automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive on the base configuration, with AWD as the 2026 standard. At a loaded weight in the range of 10,000 to 11,000 pounds on the Sprinter platform, 211 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of diesel torque creates a power-to-weight ratio that feels confident at highway speed, composed on mountain grades, and responsive in campground maneuvering. The Mercedes diesel does not feel like it is working hard at highway cruise. That is the fundamental character of a well-matched diesel engine in a well-specified application. It pulls, quietly, consistently. Real-world fuel economy from Sprinter diesel owners at this weight class and speed, 17 to 21 miles per gallon highway on flat terrain, 14 to 17 miles per gallon in mixed mountain terrain. The Summit runs on diesel fuel, the same diesel that the Truma Combi Plus heater and water system uses, confirmed from dealer specifications. One fuel for the engine and for climate. No propane tank required. GVWR is 11,000 pounds confirmed from Chinook's own specification page. GCWR is 15,000 pounds. Hitch rating is 5,000 pounds with 500 pounds of tongue weight. Average dry weight is 9,780 pounds. leaving approximately 1,220 pounds of payload capacity when fully loaded. That is a tight payload budget. Pack with intention. Every pound counts on a coach this compact. The 900 amp-hour Expion 360 Lithium system. This is the number that separates the Summit from most of the competition in the Class B Plus segment at this price point. 900 amp-hours. Not 600. Not 450. 900. At 12 volts, 900 amp-hours is 10.8 kilowatt-hours of usable energy. To put that in context, the Pleasure-Way Plateau TS has 600 amp-hours. The Chinook Bayside has 648. The Grech RV Strada Ion has approximately 940 watts across their 51-volt system. The Summit's 900 amp-hour Expion 360 system is one of the largest standard lithium battery capacities available in a Class B Plus coach in the American market today. The Expion 360 batteries carry a 12-year warranty. 12 years. That is a battery warranty duration that exceeds the entire planned ownership period of most coach buyers. It signals a fundamental confidence in the longevity of the battery cells that shorter warranty systems simply do not offer. What does 900 amp-hours mean in practical terms? At moderate load, air conditioning, lighting, refrigerator, device charging, fans, the Summit's battery bank can run for substantially longer between charges than 600 amp-hour systems. Off-grid camping for multiple nights without generator or shore power is genuinely viable in real-world conditions. For buyers who specifically seek out dispersed camping, national forest sites, and boondocking locations where hookups do not exist, the Summit's 900 amp-hour bank is the system that makes extended off-grid living practical rather than just theoretically possible. The 600-watt solar system. Standard. This is double the 300 watts on the Chinook Bayside lineup, and significantly more than the 100 to 200 watt panels on most competing Class B Plus coaches. 600 watts of rooftop solar through a Victron MPPT charge controller delivers a meaningful daily recharge input during stationary campsite days. In summer at mid-latitude campgrounds, 600 watts can produce 4 to 5 amp-hours per watt peak per day under good conditions, potentially 300 to 400 amp-hours of solar charge on a high sun day. That level of solar production significantly extends the Summit's off-grid capability between generator runs. The 4 solar panel plug-in ports in the exterior side bay add 480 watts of additional solar capability from ground-level panels. If a buyer wants to expand the Summit's solar harvest at a stationary campsite, plugging in 4 portable ground panels through the side bay ports brings total solar capacity to 1,080 watts. That is a genuinely capable off-grid energy harvesting system in a 25-foot Class B Plus coach. The Victron 3000-watt inverter with Cerbo touchscreen monitor. The same Victron system we have covered on multiple Chinook models this season. 3,000 watts of pure sine wave output manages all AC appliances simultaneously. The Cerbo GX provides real-time visibility into the entire power ecosystem. Battery state of charge, solar input, inverter output, all on a single touchscreen interface. The high-output second alternator with generator delete option. This is worth understanding because it reflects a specific philosophy about how to power a modern motorhome. Instead of running a generator, with its noise, fuel consumption, and maintenance requirements, the high-output second alternator recharges the house battery bank rapidly while driving. A full driving day after a high-draw off-grid night can restore substantial battery capacity before the next stationary period. For buyers who move regularly between sites, daily driving provides daily battery replenishment through the alternator without ever starting a generator. The 2x4 welded steel subframe on rubber isolation pads. This is Chinook's construction signature across their entire B Plus lineup. The steel subframe is welded, not bolted, into a rigid cage structure that Chinook mounts to the Sprinter chassis through rubber isolator pads. The rubber pads serve the same function as engine mounts in a car. They absorb vibration between the chassis and the habitation body, resulting in a measurably quieter interior at highway speed than coaches where the body is hard-mounted directly to the chassis. Aluminum sidewalls and roof skins bonded with Sika adhesive. Sika is a commercial-grade structural adhesive used in automotive and construction applications for its long-term bond strength and flexibility under thermal cycling. Aluminum skins over aluminum framing. No wood-based substrates anywhere in the Summit's sidewall structure. The result is a body that cannot rot, cannot absorb moisture, and cannot delaminate through the moisture intrusion failure modes that have ended the useful lives of countless wood-framed coaches over the years. The Truma Combi Plus heater with integrated water heater. The Truma Combi is the premium standard in van-based motorhome heating and hot water. It combines cabin heating and on-demand hot water in a single compact unit running on the coach's diesel fuel supply, confirming Chinook's single-fuel philosophy on the Summit. No propane tanks, no propane connections, no propane maintenance schedule, blind spot detection, collision warning, lane keeping system, side wind stabilization. For 2026, Chinook has added blind spot detection across the Summit and Maverick B+ lines as a new standard feature. Combined with the existing collision warning and lane keeping systems, the Summit now has a comprehensive active safety suite standard. Floor plans. The 2026 Summit AWD 4S offers 4 floor plan configurations. The Summit SS, single sofa with transformable sofa dinette configuration, also available with front twin beds. The Summit DS, dual sofa layout for 2-person living room configuration. The Summit EB, Eddy bed with transformable sofa dinette. Chinook's wall-mounted fold-down bed system that provides a sleeping surface without occupying floor space when in its stored position. And the brand-new Summit MT 360, mid-twin bed layout with dry rear bath and front kitchen, introduced at the 2025 Elkhart Open House. The MT 360 carries 900 amp-hours of Expion 360 Lithium as standard, consistent with the full Summit lineup for 2026. Price. The 2026 Chinook Summit AWD 4S is priced from dealer listings in the range of $215,000 to $275,000, depending on floor plan, configuration, and dealer. The SS floor plan tends to be at the lower end of that range. The MT 360 and EB floor plans with full premium options toward the upper end. How does that compare? The Grech Strada AWD on the Sprinter XD averages approximately $269,900 at dealer, comparable Summit pricing for a shorter coach without the Summit's 900 amp-hour battery standard. The Pleasure-Way Plateau TS at $224,200 MSRP carries 600 amp-hours on the standard Sprinter, 3,500. The Airstream Interstate on the Sprinter AWD starts around $212,000 with a notably smaller standard battery system. At $215,000 to $275,000, the Summit offers the largest standard lithium battery system in its competitive set, 600 watts of solar standard. The Mercedes AWD chassis now standard across the full lineup, and the welded steel subframe construction that Chinook describes as building coaches to be heirlooms, not 5-year pieces. That last phrase is from Chinook's own president. They are building motorhomes to last. In a market where many coaches show their age at 7 to 10 years, Chinook's construction philosophy and the 12-year Expion battery warranty are a specific statement about intended service life. Who is the Summit for? It is for the buyer who wants the largest standard lithium battery capacity in this class. Mercedes AWD capability now standard without paying an option premium, a welded steel construction philosophy that is designed to outlast the competition, and a diesel platform with real-world 17 to 21 miles per gallon highway efficiency. It is for the four-season traveler, the off-grid traveler, The buyer who moves frequently between remote sites and wants a battery system that recovers during daily driving without generator dependence. It is not for the buyer who needs a large footprint or a slide-out. It is not for the buyer who wants gasoline fuel economy. And at $215,000 to $275,000, it is a serious investment that requires serious consideration. But for the buyer it was designed for, the Summit AWD 4S in 2026 is a very difficult coach to argue against. That is the 2026 Chinook Summit AWD 4S. Verified specs from Chinook's own documentation and RV Pro industry coverage. Straight talk, no filler. Hit the like button now if this broke down the Summit comparison the way you needed. Subscribe to NextGen Motorhome for a new motorhome breakdown every single week. Drop a comment below, 900 amp hours as the standard in this class. Does that change how you think about the Summit versus the Grech Strada or the Pleasure-Way Plateau? Tell me what you are comparing. I read every comment. Safe travels, gentlemen. See you in the next one.